Good day, viewers, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. And God bless you. Hope you are doing good today. Thank you for joining me on this channel. And if today is your first time of joining this channel, I welcome you and I appreciate you for being here. To my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, I also appreciate you and I say thank you for always being here and for supporting me. My name is Brother Chima Prince Matter, the founder of Chima Matter Spiritual Tips, Lagos, Nigeria. Today again, I am here to share with us a wonderful knowledge on how to receive quick and easy favor and luck. Yes, using simple natural remedies. Somebody will say, how is this possible? Of course, everything is possible. One that is with God is with majority. God created mankind and give us everything under control. That whatever you call a thing, that is what it is. So many leaves, so many plants with beautiful spiritual properties that God has given to them. But man has overlooked them and we are not using the power of those resources. Now, we are going to be looking at a very good remedy to attract good luck and quick favor. It looks simple, but I am telling you, it is a God-tested and trusted remedy. Yes, just be patient and watch this particular video to the end. You are going to learn a lot. A sister-in-law came to me some time ago and called me Brother Chima. Nothing is working out for me. People are not favoring me, even in my restaurant. I'm no longer making sales. I said, okay, let's do this. I told her to do this particular assignment, to prepare this particular remedy. And she did. Within the space of 1 week to 2 weeks, she came back with joy. People started favoring her. People started coming to the restaurant that they have rejected. And another brother was sharing his experience on this particular remedy that I'm about to tell you now. So kick into it. Use it. It will work for you. You will be surprised the kind of favor and blessing that you will embrace. If you don't have luck before, this time around, you will be lucky. People is going to favor you. So, what are we going to use? Honey, original honey, the power of honey. Honey has so many benefits, both physical benefits and spiritual benefits, both health-wise. And there is a saying that says, where honey is, that is where ants gather. So honey has the power, the authority to draw things. It has the ability, the capability of sweetening anything you are doing. Sweetening your relationship, sweetening your marriage, sweetening your business. If you keep honey for more than 20 years and you come back and test it, it will still give you the same taste. So honey is good for any spiritual activities, prosperity wise. If you want to bring back your relationship to tasty, you use honey. And again, we are going to be using thyme, honey and thyme. This is a kitchen thyme. It has a very good flavor. We use it in preparing our stews, We use it in preparing our jollof rice. It is blessed with property of favor. It brings in money, and it's called with the blessings of immediate effect. And it is time to get favor. It is time to get good luck. It is time to get into good relationship. It is time for your business to be moving. Yes, with thyme and honey, you will attract fast manifestation of luck, fast promotion, fast money with only these two materials that Chukwu Okike Obiama has created in our favor to harness the powers, the spiritual powers. So, how are we going to do this? Now, we are going to start with your thyme. Yes, I am not going to use it, but I will put it into practice for those of you that are watching me here, so that you will be able to catch up what I am doing. Now, you need to get your glass cup or a container. If you are doing this, you have to have a container where you will do it on your own. I am doing it with this glass cup because I am not going to be needing it. So look at how it goes here. You bring in your glass cup and your spoon. Then you get your thyme. Take some amount of thyme. You see it? This is my amount of thyme. Pour it into the glass. Then you bring your sweetness. I just want you to be seeing everything that I'm doing. This is original honey. Then you pour your honey on it. Wow, so beautiful. Then you use your spoon to tear it up. You are not just going to be doing just as little as I am doing. You can do as big as you can, because the reason why I'm doing it little is because I don't need it. You are going to paste it very well, clockwise. After that, you see what it looks like. So when you are done mixing it, you are going to read Psalm 23 if you are a Bible student, and you cover it and keep it in a place for 4 good days. And if you are not a Bible student, you are going to pray hard. After making your prayers on this thing, what you want on it, you cover it for 4 days. The complete 4 days, early in the morning when you wake up, you use your number 3rd finger. You take small of it and you lick it. You begin to pray. You begin to command. You command favor. You command divine connection. You speak of meaningful relationship, meaningful blessings, meaningful contact to come your way as you are licking it. Then, after you are done licking it, again, when you want to take your bath, each and every morning you want to take your bath, after you have licked it, you put your hand inside it, your 3rd finger. Then you take a little bit and put inside your water. Turn it with your 3rd finger 7 times, and you begin to pray for divine connection, for divine favor, for divine relationship, for open doors, for breakthrough, for connection, for people that has meaning to locate you. After you finish your praying, you bait your bait and come out. Do this each and early morning before you go out in the morning, and you will see it works. Do it work? Yes. Is it magic? No. Is it fetish? No. So try it and you will see. This is naturally materials made by God. And please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Yes, like I always say, if you have a brother or a sister, you want to make their life better, share this channel with them. Connect them to be a partaker of this channel. And the most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like my videos, comment on the comment section. Feel free to ask me questions. I am open to communication, and if there is anything you need me to do for you in your own favor, feel free to call me. My number is +234 7088 136610, +234 7088 136610. That is my number. Do this, and I need your testimony. May God bless you.